Hello and welcome. Today, we are going to set up and understand the campaign URL in the Kite app. Campaign URLs in the Kite app provide a unique link that can be shared directly with customers, enabling them to avail of promotions. Let's dive in. For demonstration purposes, we'll create a free gift with purchase promotion. We'll set up a few requirements according to our preferences. Scrolling down, you'll notice the campaign URL, which is how we create a campaign. We'll select the campaign URL, set the name as offer, and click here. You'll notice that the prefix URL is present. After generating the prefix URL, we'll save it and go to our test store. You'll see that the widget is no longer visible because we have enabled the campaign URL. Now, we'll copy the URL, paste it into our browser, and check. You'll see that the widget is now visible. This is how you set up a campaign URL. It can be set up with various other discounts and promotions. If you have any further queries, please feel free to connect with us. Thank you.